Yazi kunzima sometimes. Trying to do what you wanna do, and then it doesn't turn out to be the way you want it to be. And trying to do something right, but everything just goes sideways. But feel this heavy weight on your shoulder, like isn't this knee whenever you're trying to see something, does it come out the way you want? Well, this is that part.
Everything I forget, see you hear it, slangani, punanani, bunny, strati to strati, Monday to Sunday, funanani, mali, gotta put the bread on the table, kwamele slangani, si plani, umdena kalangami, but nami gan kuyini, when impilo yakihlali phansi, engathudlala ukhala ngenhliziyo, inhliziyo yami mama ibuhlungu, ibuhlungu inhliziyo yami, uzwa ngathi ichotha igazi ngaphakathi. Mama ukwenzela okuningi mama, nami ngiyafisa baba ukuthengela imoto baba, nami ngiyafisa baba ukhulisa ikhaya lami, ngathi kuzomile sikucinga amadolo phansi, sikhulume nabaphansi, ngoba izinto ahlangani thina hlala khala njalo inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu umoya wami uphukile ukhala njalo funa impilo echayile ngifuna ukuletha ibusiso endlini ngifuna ukuletha okuningi ma no baba lapha endluleke khona, mina ngifuna ukucidelela, mina lana hluleka khona, mina ngifuna ukuphumelela. Kana kulama khona ngizohluleka, ngiya khona kulezaka, khona kulama khona yazi kunzima, kubuhlungu enhliziyweni yami, wamuhlala ngizama njalo akulungi, ngoba ngihlale ngizama njalo akulungi, everyday ngiyavuka ekuseni ngiyohirisa, ngoba nami ngiyafisa mama ukwenzela okuningi mama, nami ngiyafisa baba ukuthengela imoto baba, nami ngiyafisa baba ukhulisa ikhaya lami,